Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Price to sell. This well-maintained 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom home is turnkey and ready to generate revenue with independent ensuite bedrooms outside from the main house. This home sits on 0.29 acres of land. The main house consists of 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms with a lovely kitchen, washroom, and dining rooms, outfitted with nicely designed cupboards. There are 3 self-contained units inclusive of a basement. The outdoors are gorgeous with lush fruit trees and a pool. This home is located in Greenwood, St. James. The property is also approximately 25 minutes from the Sangster International Airport and home to many returning residents and professionals. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 280,000 or Jamaican $43 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.